Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use wrist straps. They usually come, they're pretty straight, got a loop on one end. You're going to take that loop and lay it across your hand. Grab it with your pinky and ring finger and then lay it across your wrist outside of your thumb. Grab your other hand and bring it around and you're going to feed that end through the loop. So I've already done that with the other hand. You're going to tighten it down. You know you've got it on the right when your pinky and ring finger on both hands. Grab the loop, they're going in line with it, and then the strap goes between your thumb and index finger. The next thing you do is approach your barbell. Right? You want to let the straps hang loose. Bring your hand all the way up to the barbell, reach under with your fingers, and grab that strap. You want to snake it around the bar once, tighten it up on both hands. You want it as tight as possible, and then snake it around again. Once I've got both of them on tight, I want to ratchet the bar a little bit. It's important that they're really, really tight. Any looseness lessens the effectiveness of the wrist straps. Once you've got them snug, you can go ahead and go right into your lifting.